Plant FAQs. Dieffenbachia crocodile. Dieffenbachia crocodile. Your guide to this textured beauty. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a plant enthusiast, and I'd love to share my knowledge about the captivating Dieffenbachia crocodile. This unique houseplant boasts stunning variegated leaves and a textural surprise, a quality that makes it a standout in any indoor jungle. If you're considering welcoming a Dieffenbachia crocodile into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about its care, light needs, and even how it compares to other popular houseplants. What is a Dieffenbachia crocodile? The Dieffenbachia crocodile, also known as the dumb cane crocodile, is a captivating member of the Araceae family. It's known for its stunning foliage. The leaves boast a beautiful variegation, typically a combination of deep green and cream or lime. But the true star of the show is the unique texture. The undersides of the leaves resemble crocodile skin, complete with a raised midrib that runs down the center. This textural detail adds a touch of the unexpected and makes the Dieffenbachia crocodile a truly conversation-starting plant. Dieffenbachia crocodile versus other Dieffenbachia varieties. Dieffenbachia is a diverse genus with numerous cultivars, each with its own unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison of the Dieffenbachia crocodile to some popular varieties. Dieffenbachia seguin. This classic Dieffenbachia features large, oval leaves with prominent white veins on a green background. It's a popular choice for its bold, graphic look. Dieffenbachia tropic snow. This beauty boasts stunning white variegation that dominates the leaves, leaving only a thin green margin. It requires slightly brighter light than the crocodile. Dieffenbachia cameo. This compact variety features beautiful, dark green leaves with lighter speckles throughout. It's a good choice for those with limited space. Compared to these varieties, the Dieffenbachia crocodile offers a unique combination of stunning variegation and a captivating textural element. It thrives in similar light conditions as the classic Dieffenbachia seguin, making it a versatile choice for most homes. How to care for Dieffenbachia crocodile. Caring for your Dieffenbachia crocodile is quite straightforward. Here are some key things to remember. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water your Dieffenbachia crocodile when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. You can increase humidity around your plant by grouping it with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your plant to sudden temperature changes or cold drafts. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Is the Dieffenbachia crocodile toxic? Yes. Like other Dieffenbachia varieties, the Dieffenbachia crocodile contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation and swelling if ingested. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. How big does the Dieffenbachia crocodile get? This plant can grow up to 3 to 6 feet, 0.9 to 1.8 meters, tall indoors. You can control its size by pruning regularly. Why are the leaves of my Dieffenbachia crocodile drooping? Drooping leaves can be a sign of underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient light. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine accordingly. Ensure the plant receives adequate bright, indirect light. Can I propagate the Dieffenbachia crocodile? Absolutely. You can propagate this plant by stem cuttings or division, bringing the textured beauty home. The Dieffenbachia crocodile is a stunning and relatively low-maintenance houseplant. With its unique combination of vibrant foliage and captivating texture, it's sure to add a touch of the exotic to your home. So, if you're looking for a conversation-starting plant that's easy to care for, the Dieffenbachia crocodile might just be your perfect match. Remember, with proper care and attention, your Dieffenbachia crocodile will thrive for years to come, adding a touch of the tropics to your indoor space.